Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you how to close multiple apps at the same time. We are just going to see how to remove them but not delete them completely from our phone. All you have to do is to click on the Recent Apps button, which should be at the bottom in your screen to your left. Once you have pressed the Recent Apps button, you should see all apps that you have visited. We want to delete them all at once, not just one by one, because that would take a lot of our time. All you have to do is to press on this brush button. In some other phones it should be shaped like an X, but for this one it is shaped like a brush. Once you click on it, all your visited apps should vanish at the same time. Once you want to see if those visited apps are still there, just press again on the Recent Apps button to check if they are there. If you have removed all of them, you will on your screen a message telling you that they are no recent apps.